Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are here with another look for 31 Days of Beauty. I am feeling very confident from yesterday's look with the bold lip, color lip I should say. So I was like, hey, let's do it again today. So today I did a very bold orange lip with, of course, the orange eyes. And as for the palette that I'm using today to achieve today's makeup look, I'm not going to give my full thoughts on it quite yet. You guys will have to actually watch the tutorial to see and hear my opinions on this palette. This is my first time ever using this palette, my first time ever using this brand, and this is by the brand VOSS, and this is called the Flamingo eyeshadow palette. It is absolutely adorable, like so cute. Love, 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 love the color story. And as for the eyeshadows in here, the color story is absolutely beautiful as well. Look at that, honey. Yes. And I don't know what made me grab towards the orange when there's so many other colors in here, like blues and stuff like that. But I wanted to do something different when I looked into this palette, so this is what I did. So I was definitely leaning towards these blues and stuff right here at first, but I was like, nah, let's do something out of the ordinary, because I already have my mind set on doing like a colored lip already for today. So, and oranges will pop up in my head, so boom, here we are. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then of course keep on watching. Alright, so this is going to be my first time using, I think, anything from VOSS. Like I can't, like, I'm sitting here thinking I can't recall using anything from this brand. And I think I got this palette during, I think I did like a big order with BoxyCharm when they had a certain amount of eyeshadow palettes on sale. Or either I got this palette sent in one of my beauty boxes. One of them. I know I didn't buy this from VOSS website itself. Definitely came from BoxyCharm. I just don't know if this was given to me or if I bought it myself. Like, I don't remember. But I love the packaging of this palette. It's so pretty. And I really like the colors in here. Really, really pretty. I'm hoping that the payoff is amazing. So let's jump right into this look. So really quick, I'm going to put on my brow bone highlight to set the concealer area. Alright, so the first shade I'm going to go in with is called Popsicle, which is this pretty orange shade right here. It looks pretty decent on the brush. It's definitely appearing lighter than what it was given on the pan, but I can still see the quality in this. So far I'm impressed. So far so good. The orange is so vibrant. The camera is taking a while to adjust. There we go. Okay. It's very popsicle-y. It's very popsicle-y is what I have to say about this eyeshadow. Alright, I'm going to move on to my lid. I'm not doing a cut crease for today. That's because I don't really know how these eyeshadows are going to be giving, you know, my life. So, yeah. I am going to go in with the shade now called Pineapple. Let's put a little bit of pineapple in on my lid. And it's the shade right here. You put the lime in the coconut to twist it all up. Let's see how their metallic eyeshadows is going to be doing. Ooh, not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad at all. I'm going to definitely use some setting spray for it. Alright, I'm going to now go in with the shade right here. Some pretty metallic orange. And same method, I'm going to mist my spray with this product. I'm going to mist my spray and apply it right next to this yellow orange. Okay, so the shade is cool. I feel like it's blending very much so in my crease. So I need to deepen up my crease and this outer color on my lid. So I'm going to go in with this color for the outer part of my lid. This has a little bit of red tone to it. Okay, let's sweat her again. Okay, I feel like everything is just like flowing together and not in a good way. Like I want the colors to be defined, to be separated. So we're gonna have to remix this. So I'm gonna take this color right here. It's like an orangey brown shade. So it looks like that in my opinion. And this, I don't know. I need some deep, rich colors in my crease because this is not giving yet. This is like definitely a packed type of palette. Like all these blending action is definitely getting rid of the pigmentation of these eyeshadows. So yeah, and I don't know how to feel about that because I use the same base on all my makeup looks just to get that rich payoff, and I feel like I'm not getting that with this. So yeah, it is deepening up a little, but it's still not quite where I want it to be. I want a little bit more definition, so I'm going to go in with this black eyeshadow. I want to go all the way across with this because now I'm giving out Halloween vibes, and this was not the plan, but what are we doing? What are we doing, Niche? I have no clue. I definitely need to reapply my crease and my lid colors because this black like took over. So let me do some major fixing with this. Okay, so I like this look a lot. I'm just questioning about the quality of the palette. Yes, so usually I go on with my face, but I'm gonna pop my lashes on because I feel like I'm missing something. But then again, I like to put the lashes on. You know what? No, I'm gonna wait. I like to put the lashes on at the end because I was like the grand finale topper. Let's make this look work without putting lashes on so far. So alright, face routine. Got some new products today to try out. So moisturizer, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild My Cherry Amour. This is primer serum. Yes, this is what it looks like. And I think this is supposed to like give you like a nice glow in a sense. So let's give her a try. I thought it would have smelled like cherry, but I don't smell anything. Alright, and for my actual primer, I'm going to go in with the Professional Hydrate Primer. And this is by Benefit. And then for my foundation today, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Dream Radiant Liquid Foundation in the shade 130. Alright, and then for my concealer, I'm going in with Dose of Colors. This is in the shade 24 Dark. Again, I did not personally pick out this concealer. This was given in one of my beauty boxes. I think she's okay for today. I do like this concealer. I was just nervous on running out because this concealer is a little bit on the pricey side. So I'm gonna let that get a little tacky for a little bit, and then for my, what am I gonna contour with today? I feel like my foundation is really off. I think I'm gonna contour with my Hank and Henry again for today. Alright, now for my powders, I'm going to do the same powders I used yesterday. I'm starting to like this one that I used yesterday because the pictures came out marvelous. Like, it looked really good. So I'm going to try her again. And then for the rest of my face, I'm going to go in with my Black Radiance. And then today I'm going to contour with my Makeup Revolution face palette. So I'm going to start off with this one first, and then I'm going to blend it out with this brown. Going back in to finish the eyes, I'm going to take a little bit of my black pencil. I'm pretty much going to just put that in my waterline. And then for the bottom lash line, I'm going to go in with that really dark orange color, this one right here. And I'm going to put that in the bottom lash line. I just took a little bit of that glitter glue and I just popped it right in my inner, and I'm just going with that same color that I have on the inner lid part. I'm just popping it right in the inner tear duct. This lip combo. We're doing another bow lip. Yes, you heard me. Doing another bow lip. I don't know why, but I'm feeling orangey, as you guys can see. So let's do a burnt orange type of lip. I'm using some new products for the lips, and these are from the brand Beautiful. Yes, I'm going to be trying them out. Oh, that's what I forgot. I forgot to pick out my lip liner. Let me grab a lip liner really quick so I can show you guys these products. One is a lip gloss, and then the other one is an actual matte lipstick. I don't know if I'm going to use both or I'm just going to use one. But I said this before, I really love how Sis did the packaging. The packaging is so clean and chic. It's like gorgeous. So this is what we are going to be working with. As you guys can see, the lip color is a little at the bottom of the tube. And they're giving off a little bit of orange vibe. So this is the lip gloss, and this one is the matte lipstick. So they are in different packaging, and it looks so beautiful. I'm gonna go in with the lipstick first because I kind of don't know what lip liner to go when it comes to orange. I can do brown, I can do red, I can do burgundy. I don't know. So I'm gonna see how this actual lip shade looks like first, and then I'll figure out from there. Matter of fact, let me do brown just to be on the safe side. That way I won't go over my natural lip shape. So I'm gonna go in with my pencil. Now let's see what this lipstick is giving. Miss Beautiful, she's in the shade Winning, and like I said, this is a matte formula. I'm gonna add a little bit of burgundy into my lip. Ooh, I really like this color. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna put gloss on her. And the same thing from yesterday's vibe. I don't want to do orange on everything. Like, we got orange on the eyes, orange on the lips. What would be the opposite that's gonna at least complement this? Let's do a pink blush. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with the Hank & Henry blush palette. And then I want to go in with this shade right here. That pretty pink. Then highlighter, I might as well use the highlighter that's in this Makeup Revolution palette. And it looks like this for the highlight. Alright, so I'm still debating if I want to do the gloss on top of this. I'm just going to pop my lashes and do mascara really quick, and then I'll be right back to decide on how we're going to do this lip. I really like it though. I like it matte, but you know me, I like a gloss, so we'll see. So I do feel like this lip is pretty, but I do want some gloss, so I am going to go ahead and try out this lip color right on top. And then I think I'm going to add a little bit of a nude lipstick just to make the center part a little bit more nude. Alright, so this completes the look. I really like this. Especially this little orange lip combo. Who am I? Like, I'm just jumping in and trying out different lip combos. What? Y'all should be very proud of me, but I really do hope you guys like this look. I will be honest about this palette. I really don't like the palette. It's not the color choices. The color choices are absolutely beautiful. And I don't want to fault Violet Voss, but being honest, this is like my first palette trying from them. And I think I have a couple of more palettes from this brand that's in my collection from, you know, Beauty Box. Send it to me. But I'm looking at this formula and I would have loved it so much better if it was the payoff that I am used to, that I love, you know. No offense, I've seen e.l.f., I've seen Wet n Wild do better quality than what's going on right here. The matte is beautiful. The matte's beautiful. It's just the metallic. It's like, how can you mess up on metallic eyeshadow? But they were very patchy, might I say. And I'm looking at it and I feel like some of the eyeshadow on my eye is coming off already. This is why this palette was meant for me to try, because I never tried it before. So it is what it is. This is what I got. I hope you guys like it. Very orangey. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's makeup tutorial. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Leave me your feedback down at the bottom. And of course, your girl will be back with another look tomorrow. So you guys make sure you come back. Check it out, support, like, love, share, and do all those good positive things. And of course, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing. Until then, bye.